Unlocking the power of paradoxes, a new approach to inquiry-based learning. As educators across the globe continue to seek innovative teaching strategies to engage their students, the concept of inquiry-based learning has seen a significant upsurge in popularity. It fosters critical thinking, promotes active learning, and encourages problem-solving abilities. A dynamic component to bolster this pedagogy is the infusion of paradoxes. Incorporating paradoxes in inquiry-based learning can stimulate intellectual curiosity, inspire deeper exploration, and drive the learning process. This video will walk you through practical tips and steps on how to use paradoxes to enhance inquiry-based learning in the classroom. From understanding the essence of paradoxes to their application in real-world classroom scenarios, we aim to provide a comprehensive guide for educators eager to revolutionize their teaching methods. What is inquiry-based learning? Inquiry-based learning is an active learning method where students are encouraged to explore the curriculum independently. Instead of providing direct information, teachers facilitate a learning environment where students inquire, investigate, and deduce their own understanding of subjects. This approach not only develops critical thinking skills but also nurtures a passion for lifelong learning. Understanding paradoxes in education. A paradox is a statement that seems contradictory or absurd but could potentially be true when investigated deeper. Paradoxes stimulate our minds to uncover the hidden logic that reconciles the apparent contradiction. They create cognitive dissonance, which often motivates learners to resolve the tension through thoughtful investigation. Steps to enhance inquiry-based learning using paradoxes. Choose relevant paradoxes. Start by identifying paradoxes that align with your curriculum or the topic of study. They should be thought-provoking and open-ended, sparking curiosity and promoting extensive exploration. Introduce the paradox. Once selected, introduce the paradox to students without offering a direct explanation. The objective is to spark their interest and stimulate a desire to dig deeper into the issue. Facilitate exploration. Allow students to examine the paradox in groups or individually, encouraging them to ask questions, make assumptions, and propose solutions. This exploration should be student-led, with teachers acting as facilitators rather than direct sources of information. Discussion and reflection. Encourage students to share their findings and thoughts with the class. This stage fosters collaborative learning and develops communication skills. Moreover, it provides opportunities for students to reflect upon their assumptions and the validity of their proposed solutions. Reveal the explanation. After students have explored the paradox extensively, reveal the commonly accepted explanation, if any. This stage is crucial in guiding students towards understanding the intricacies and nuances that come with problem-solving and critical thinking. Paradoxes in project-based learning. Project-based learning is an extended form of inquiry-based learning where students work on complex problems over a longer period. Implement paradoxes as part of the project's core issue to sustain curiosity and maintain a continuous cycle of inquiry throughout the project. Interdisciplinary paradoxes. To encourage broader critical thinking and connect different fields of study, use paradoxes that span multiple disciplines. This can help students see the interconnectedness of different subjects and how paradoxes can apply in various contexts. Developing paradoxes. As students become more comfortable with paradoxes, challenge them to come up with their own paradoxes related to the topics they're studying. This will require them to have a deep understanding of the subject matter and allows for creativity in their learning process. Practical tips for implementing paradoxes in inquiry-based learning. Maintain a balance. Paradoxes should serve as a tool for stimulating curiosity and deeper understanding. Avoid using overly complex paradoxes that might lead to frustration or confusion. Foster a safe learning environment. Encourage open dialogue and respect for diverse perspectives. The process of inquiry-based learning thrives on students feeling comfortable to express their thoughts and questions. Use technology. Incorporate online learning tools and resources that can facilitate the exploration of paradoxes. Interactive multimedia content, forums for discussion, and online collaboration tools can significantly enhance the learning experience. Continuous feedback. Provide continuous feedback to students during their exploration. While you shouldn't reveal the solution, guiding them towards finding the answer themselves can be helpful. Iterate based on feedback. As you implement this approach, continuously seek feedback from your students. This can help you refine your strategy to better suit your classroom's specific needs and ensure that the process is indeed enhancing their learning. Ensure conceptual understanding. Before introducing a paradox, ensure that your students have a basic understanding of the concepts involved. Paradoxes are meant to deepen understanding, not introduce new concepts. Model the process. Initially, students may struggle with the open-ended nature of paradoxes. By modeling the process of dealing with paradoxes, questioning, investigating, reasoning, and resolving, you can guide your students towards effective problem-solving strategies. Celebrate failures. Encourage a culture that sees failures as stepping stones to success. Not all paradoxes may be resolved as expected, and that's perfectly all right. The primary aim is the journey of inquiry and the critical thinking skills that are developed along the way. In conclusion, paradoxes can add a layer of depth to inquiry-based learning. They stimulate intellectual curiosity, provoke deep thinking, and encourage greater engagement. By strategically using paradoxes in your teaching practice, you can promote an exciting, dynamic, and effective learning environment.